Have you ever felt like you were completely alone? Like your prayers weren't being heard? You aren't the first to feel this way.
ضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث.
Allah swears by the morning light and the dark night. Just as the sun always rises after the night, He always follows your pain. Next time you feel overwhelmed, try these 3 things. 1. Remember your past victories. 2. Give a small charity. 3. Speak to your Lord in private. O Allah, Creator of the heavens and the earth, the one who brings the morning light after the darkest night, we ask you today for Sakinah, a deep, unshakable peace, to descend upon our hearts. When the world feels loud and our minds are crowded with worry, grant us the clarity to see your wisdom in all things. O Allah, remove the clouds of confusion from our path. Light our way with the truth of the Quran. And let our hearts find rest in your remembrance. For those among us who are hurting, grant them healing. For those who are lost, grant them guidance. And for those who are struggling in silence, grant them a way out that they never expected. O Allah, make our hearts content with your decree. And fill our lives with the light of your love. Ameen.